Today I'm going to install the metal bracelet and case for the Casio G-Shock GWM5610U. I'll leave links in the description for this mod in case you're interested in purchasing it. So a quick unboxing for you. It is supposed to come with everything you need to complete the mod. I went for the black PVD metal bracelet. We'll take a closer look at it very shortly. We also have the actual case. Let's go ahead and take a quick look and unwrap the case to see how it looks like up close. So far so good. The construction seems very solid. And we have some red accents at the top and the bottom. Let's check out the bracelet as well. So you can pick between metal and titanium. I believe titanium will be a little bit lighter. First, we remove the 4 screws that are holding the case together. We're done with the case screws. Now we're going to remove the rubber band. It's important to note that you will need a strap remover tool because they do not supply it. And now that the case screws and the strap is removed, push the case out and you will need to clear the side buttons. We'll give it a quick clean up and then we'll assemble the parts. We'll ditch the silver screws, we'll use these ones instead. Interestingly, they supplied 5 instead of 4, so I guess in case you lose one. Let's go ahead and put the watch inside the case. I think it looks pretty awesome. Let's put on the screws, then the bracelet, and we'll see what the final result looks like. When putting back the screws, just be careful not to scratch the coating on the metal case. So we'll need a flathead screwdriver and they supply you with one in the kit. Do not tighten one side until you have all 4 screws placed. Once all 4 screws are placed, you can go ahead and tighten them. And there we have it. The case is successfully installed. Now we will install the bracelet. For the bracelet orientation, just make sure that the number 6 on the actual clasp is in the direction of the top of the watch. You need to insert the push pin into the end link. Put one side in and use your thumb to push it all the way in. And that looks like it's secure. Let's do the same thing for the other side. This one's gonna be a little more difficult, so just be patient with it. The case is installed, the bracelet is installed. Now what we have to do is to size it. Before we do that, let's just take a quick look. We're almost there, we're pretty much there, and I must say that this changes the look of the watch a lot. Okay, we have 4 micro adjust holes in the clasp, so I'll just push it down one hole because I think that's gonna make the fit even better. Perfect. It looks amazing. I really like this. It just like pushes the watch a notch further in terms of quality. It says here Bluetooth and the module number, that's not the one on my watch, but I don't think that matters. It is as good as it can be for the price I paid for it. Again, I'll leave some links in the video description in case you're interested in picking up this kit for yourself. Would I recommend this mod? Absolutely. If you have this watch and you want a change of look and feel, definitely go for it. If you're still watching this video, please leave a like and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Once the channel hits 1000 subscribers, I'll be giving away a brand new Casio G-Shock GWM5610U. Thank you so much for watching.